Hey YouTube, back here with this 12 outlet super power strip. Bought it at Harbor Freight. Item number 96737. Was originally $24.99. Used a 20% off coupon, so it came to $19.99. Rated voltage 125. Max amperage 15. Max watts 1775. Gauge 14 AWG. Service rating SJT. 12 3-prong grounded outlets with space for wall adapters. Durable metal housing. Heavy duty 70-inch power cord. Lighted on-off switch with integrated 15-amp circuit breaker. Wall or workbench mountable. Extension cord selector chart. You have 10, 12, 14, and 16 AWG options. 10, 25, 50, and 100. 16 AWG, you can use a maximum of 25 foot. Other than that, it's not recommended. Improper use of extension cords can present a serious fire safety hazard. The back side of this, you have a warning on it. 4-foot metal power strip with 12 outlets. You got Harbor Freight over here. So now let's go ahead and pull this packaging off. Okay, there's the on-off switch. The receptacles. There's this plastic cap here. That's to hide your screws for when you mount it. And then of course, you got the cord. It's held together by these screws. There is actually 7 on this side, 7 on this side, made out of lightweight metal. So on this end, there's that plastic cap here too. You got your mounting holes on this side. So now we have it plugged in, and we'll see if the switch lights up like the box says. And it lights up.